Good afternoon. My name is Riley Taylor. I'm the 3M Fall Protection Specialist for Central Florida. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use our R550 rollgless in case a worker has taken a fall. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to have that worker simulate a fall. Now you can see our worker has taken a fall in our SRL. So now how are we going to rescue? So we're gonna first go grab our rollgless. It'll come in a bag like this, and we're gonna hook up our R550 next to an anchor point where that worker's fallen. After we've hooked up that R550, we're gonna grab our rescue pole. The rescue pole is gonna be two pieces, the pole part, and then we're gonna also have a snap hook. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that snap hook, and we're gonna take one side of our R550 rollgless, and it will have a snap hook on that side. We're gonna take that snap hook, and we're gonna put it to the ring on that snap hook. Once we've done that, you'll see there's two flanges on that hook that stick out right there. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open that hook, we're gonna take it, and we're gonna slide those two flanges right into there, and then it's gonna keep that hook popped open for us. This rescue pole here extends up to 16.5 feet. We would extend it out, reach down for where that worker's fallen, find his back D-ring, go ahead, pull it on. Now we could go ahead and put down our rescue pole. We have that worker attached. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take that slack out of that rope. We're gonna go ahead, pull that slack out, make that rope nice and tight. We've got two different options. We could either lower that worker or we could raise him up to the level of the platform that he fell from. As you can see up here on that R550, we have a wheel. It's bi-directional, so you could either, like I said, raise him up or lower him down. On that wheel, we do have a drill attachment on there. So if we want to make it easier than hand cranking it, we can go ahead and attach that power drill to the front right there and go ahead and crank that worker up even quicker. I'm going to take the other side of the rope, I'm going to put it up through that pigtail and then down here through the braking clamp. I'm going to keep raising that worker up and pulling that slack back through that hook back there. Keep raising them. As you can see, that SRL is still locked up, so I still have to raise them up a little bit more. I'm gonna make sure I'm keep pulling that slack. Finally, I've unlocked that SRL. I'm gonna take it out of that braking clamp. It's very easy to lower that worker down. If I let go of that rope, he'll do a controlled descent at about 2.5 feet per second down to that lower level. Yes, you could still leave that retractable connected. It will not lock up again because that movement that he's going at is not quick enough to lock up that SRL. No, you could do it from the ground as well. So you could tie it off at foot level or below the worker and rescue upwards. Yep. Yep, so we have units that are up to 1,000 feet long with rope. This rope unit's only 50 foot on your guys's. Yep, it's okay to do that. Angle rescues are okay with this as well.